In today's video, we're going to look at Euro futures. Now here, we did have a nice setup over here that included basically a 618 retracement of the prior swing plus 100% of one of these prior declines kind of overlapped. They overlapped each other. It hit, it held, we had a beautiful rally. But what do we do next? Well, start all over again. Now, if we're going to look at this, let's see, let's erase all, start over fresh. Say, well, the pattern is still bullish. We're still looking at a general pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So what do we want to do? Well, if we're trend traders, we're going to look at setting up the buy side again. So one of the things I like to do typically on a chart like this is to compare the swings in the same direction first, or basically run the symmetry. Now, symmetry is similarity or equality when comparing swings in the same direction. So here, what I'm going to do is take the three-pointed tool, grab these prior high to low swings, and then project them from the recent high to look for possible support on this pullback. Okay, so there's two projections. I'm actually going to do this one by itself, this high to low, because it's kind of like a swing within a swing. This one might be a little bit too small, but we can look at it anyway. Yeah, too small, we went through it. But then we have this one, so high to low, projected from the high. Okay, so we have some nice symmetry there. Now, if you wanted to, you could do a little bit more work, and you can maybe add this swing and this swing. It's just going to give us, it'll probably give us some swings that are similar to the others. Well, that one you kind of threw a little bit. Yeah, so let's forget about those for now. But what can we run next? Well, we can run the retracements. So we've already run the projections, and you can see that we have some potential support that we're close to. But now let's look at any retracements and any extensions. Now in this case, I'm not really going to have any extensions, okay? Because, for example, to run an extension, maybe I would run this low to this high. It's going to come in way down here, and that's not going to be near any of this. So all we can do next really is run the retracements. So I'm going to use the two-pointed tool, retracements, grab the prior low to the high, okay, and well, you can see where the 618 comes in back here. You can also do the slightly larger swing, low to the high, okay, and basically the areas that stand out, I would really focus on the ones that include symmetry at this point. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and then just say, if we trade into and hold this general area, you can definitely look at a buy entry, and the other area just below would be right here, like this 100% projection plus 50% in the 382. So we're a little bit short of this support, but know that if we hold, and then if it triggers, we'd be looking for a 1272 extension on the upside as our potential target number one. Now again, we haven't quite gotten exactly into the support, but this is the type of thing I would be watching, especially because it's still a bullish pattern and we have all the moving averages on the side of the bulls. And I would be wrong if we broke underneath this support. You've got to know when you're going to be wrong, okay? And this is what helps you identify the risk. That would be these levels, the retracements, the extensions, and the projections. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep on putting these out.